Something felt off the moment I stepped into this grove, like it hadn't been touched in years, maybe decades. I thought it was just overgrowth at first until I saw the shape beneath it, and then the face. The ancient library stood at the crossroads of two forgotten paths. I had to come back with equipment. Whatever this thing was, it wasn't small, and it definitely wasn't normal. There was still heat, or something like it. The engine felt alive, but not in a way I could explain. It took everything we had to move it, and even then it didn't feel like we were the ones in control. Once we got it inside, things got quiet. Too quiet. Like it was waiting. I didn't plan on restoring it at first. I just needed to see what was underneath all that damage. Every strike felt wrong, like I was waking something up instead of fixing it. It didn't want to come off, not because of the rust, but because it felt held in place. The weight wasn't just physical. The longer I worked on it, the harder it was to ignore that feeling. So I made a decision. If I was going to do this, I'd do it right. Start fresh. Replace everything. Piece by piece, it started coming back together, like it remembered what it used to be. Years of dirt gone in seconds, but the deeper stains, those took more than just cleaning. That's when the blue started to show again. Not rust, not decay, something familiar. I wasn't just restoring metal anymore, I was restoring an identity. And just like that, it looked whole again, like none of it ever happened. But as it pulled away, I couldn't shake the feeling that it remembered everything.